Welcome to today's story time. Meet Sammy, the brave little squirrel who teaches us that no matter how small you are, you can do big things. Let's dive in and discover how Sammy became a hero of the forest. Once upon a time in a vast forest, there lived a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was small, but he was very brave and curious. He loved to explore the forest and make new friends. Sammy's best friend was a bird named Benny. They played together every day, flying and jumping from tree to tree. One sunny day, Sammy and Benny were playing near a big oak tree. Suddenly, they heard a loud noise. It was the sound of crying. Sammy and Benny followed the sound and found a little rabbit trapped under a fallen branch. The rabbit was scared and couldn't move. Sammy quickly said, "Benny, we need to help the rabbit. Can you fly and get help?" Benny nodded and flew away to find other animals. Sammy stayed with the rabbit and tried to comfort him. "Don't worry, little rabbit. Help is on the way," he said. Sammy looked around and saw a big stick. He used all his strength to lift the stick and move the branch a little. The rabbit felt a bit better, but the branch was still too heavy for Sammy alone. After a few minutes, Benny returned with a group of animals: a strong deer, a clever fox, and a wise owl. Together, they all worked to lift the heavy branch. The deer used his strength, the fox used his cleverness to find the best way to lift, and the owl gave instructions. Finally, they managed to lift the branch, and the rabbit was free. The rabbit thanked everyone and hugged Sammy. "You are so brave, Sammy. Thank you for helping me," the rabbit said with a smile. The wise owl said, "Sammy, you showed great courage and kindness today. You did not leave the rabbit alone, and you found a way to help." Sammy felt very proud and happy. He realized that even though he was small, he could still make a big difference by being brave and helping others. From that day on, all the animals in the forest admired Sammy for his bravery and kindness. The moral of the story is no matter how small you are, you can make a big difference by being brave and helping others. Thanks for joining Sammy on his adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming tales.